It's the Great Big Home and Garden Show, and I'm here with Rosanna. I'm excited. What's going on this year?
The Great Big Home and Garden Show, presented by CarrierOhio.com, will be held at Cleveland's IX Center from Friday, January 30th through Sunday, February 8th, making its final year at this venue before transitioning to a new location. It's an ideal stop for homeowners seeking inspiration deals and practical solutions, with the added benefit of engaging directly with industry professionals and evaluating home goods firsthand. Visit more than 500 exhibits. Enter the show through Umbrella Alley, sponsored by Berlin Gardens. Step beneath a canopy of color and spring-inspired vignettes created by local designers. The Umbrella Alley opens up into the Garden Showcase. Tour the End of the Era themed Garden Showcase, sponsored by Dollar Bank. Explore 7 gardens from Northeast Ohio's top landscapers. Are you rethinking small spaces? Tour the Kaufman Tiny Home located in the Garden Showcase. But at Kaufman Tiny Homes, there aren't just scaled-down houses. They are creatively designed with the customer in mind.
And how do we get tickets?
Visit GreatBigHomeandGarden.com to plan your day and to purchase your discounted tickets.
And come out and say hi to us too, the Carrying Corral. And you can go to thecarryingcorral.com to get half off tickets. Do it today. We're gonna sell out. We sell out every year.